Hi all, here we have issue 12 of the Lancaster Bomber, the wooden version. In this issue we have the fuel tank burr ribs, which are these, the fuel tank and aluminium strips. The same as previous issue. So I thought I'd make a quick video of this. There we go, it's exactly the same. All we're doing is putting the ribs on here, just like that side, and popping the fuel tank in place. And there we go, there's the fuel tank. Put the aluminium strips on as previous, mark them off, glue them, and then the fuel caps, which are these. And there we have it, there it is, that's the finished article. Now the fuel caps as well that go in place. Excellent stuff. So these are the parts, so get them out. There we go, issue 12. There we go, those are the parts. Those are the fuel caps again. We just need to prime them and paint some silver. And there is the fuel tank. We just need to rough up the bottom and we place them aluminium strips on here after we've marked it. Basically we put them here, so we'll get these out. is both sides. Just need to varnish it now. Some of the paint did chip off these aluminium strips, as you saw. It is what it is. I suppose it could look weathered. But the varnish should keep it in place from now, so I'll do that. Well, there we go guys, that is it. That is issue 12 completed. It has chipped a little bit here and there, but I'm going to leave it because it's forever doing it. And it does give it a bit of a more weathered look. Looks perfectly alright there. You're probably not even going to see this, to be honest, but you can't keep forever keep painting it and painting it. But that is issue 12. Excellent stuff. Well, there we go guys, that is issue 12 complete. There's a fuel tank with the fuel caps in place, looking brilliant, and those burr ribs on for the fuel tank. Those aluminium strips, a bit of a nightmare, to be honest. Some of the paint's already chipped off, as you can see. There we go, chipped off a little bit in one or two places, so I'll touch that up. But at least the issue is finished. It has had a varnish, obviously, so there we go. Anyway, excellent stuff. Now I know I did say I weren't doing issue 12, so what content there is, I'll speed up, put some music on. That's more entertaining than listening to me yakking away, even though there's not much talking on it, to be honest. But it's done, and now what we've got is 13 and 14. There's 13, only 4 pieces there, but some stringers. Sorry, that's 13, this is 14. There we go, that's the other piece for that spare, goes on there like that. And I think these are engine mounts, and more stringers. We love our stringers, don't we? Anyway, that is it for this issue. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for 13 and 14. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe, bye for now.